Basically, our vision for BlockChainHub was a community-based innovation hub to connect research, education, and commercialization in one place. So it's all about the community of innovators, entrepreneurs, and investors, and also corporations that they're interested in this space. They're getting together in this foundation, and they can think about the future of this technology and get some help from a community to build the actual use cases of those technologies. The fact that the internet and all of this flow of information around, access to knowledge is not a basic barrier anymore. Blockchain, because of its nature and because of the very existence of it, comes from a kind of like developers communities. I guess it's hard for bigger corporations to understand it, and that's why they started lots of initiatives in blockchain. But if you see like 80–90% of the banks have at least one initiative in blockchain, meaning a lot, meaning that they feel that disruption going to happen in the future, and like the fact that they are charging customers for the settlement and for all of those middlemen tasks. I mean, those are gonna, by the power of this blockchain and other emerging tech, gonna go away, and they're very worried about it. I guess the power of our community is, the power of what we are doing is, we are translating very heavy programming stuff in a very easy way to community that they can understand it very good. Entrepreneurs, for example, they don't necessarily want to be developers, or corporations, they don't want to be developers. They want to understand the nature of this business, this technology from others' perspective. So what we are doing here, what we've done here is empowering those developers, or giving them some tools to present themselves in this community, and also by some sort of a screening process that we do for not necessarily for the ideas, but for the quality of the community engagement that we envision for future. So there are high quality pitches, and you wouldn't see somewhere else you have this much talented entrepreneurs or commercialization leaders getting in one place and helping each other. So we started the community with some sort of free offering, right? As we do at the moment, we have a lot of different initiatives, and all driven by our community members. And you can come to our community, learn about how to program a blockchain, what's the legal aspect of it, what government says about blockchain, what lawyers said about blockchain, what innovator says about blockchain, and what other basically AI or IoT experts are also, what's their perspective about blockchain. So after finishing this course, you're not only developers, but also you have a community of people in the same class that they are from different part of the world. They are from consulting, they are from financial, they are from some of them are entrepreneurs, so they are from different perspectives, different worlds. And the beauty of most of our course offering is you're helping those entrepreneurs, those developers to also work together. Along the way, also in future, we're going to embrace more interdisciplinary approach, meaning that we're going to bring IoT, AI to this as well, because blockchain per se is a great platform for transparency and seeing the whole process. But I guess, for example, the ideas like autonomous vehicles and other interesting future technologies is going to be some sort of collaboration between blockchain and, for example, AI and IoT and other emerging techs. So it's very important to understand what is the capability of blockchain, that we are doing that in our community, and also trying to plug in those future technologies and actually shaping the future of this space.